And well, hello there, everyone. And this morning, I had some trouble with my diesel heater. It was -3, -4 this morning at around 6 a.m. And my diesel heater didn't start. And it was cold. And I kind of wondered what happened, right? So I went to the back and I took a look inside, and I literally had no fuel, and that was it. So what I did was I went to the nearest gas station, filled up, put some diesel in, it took about, right at this time, it was about $10 or so to fill up the whole thing. So that was good. And then I started up, and then the pump started running, and no hot air was coming out, nothing. So I got kind of worried. I thought, oh great, maybe this broke it, maybe this is it. But then after a while, I think it's starting to warm up. It's taking about, I thought I'd do this video because it's taking so long. So it's taking about at least 10 minutes now for this thing to start up, and I could hear it starting up. And originally I could hear it trying to sort of start up. And maybe this is one good tip about diesel heaters for next winter, because apparently it is spring here, is keep it full as much as you can. That way you don't have to go through the whole priming scenario, which I didn't have to do. It seems to have done it on its own. So a quick tip, just before we start summer, we are into spring, even though it doesn't feel like it. Right now it's about -1. And at this point, it sounds like it's working. And on this field down here, oh yeah, we got heat. So that's good. So something to keep in mind if you are running a diesel heater is to ensure that you have enough fuel, or that you keep it topped up. Don't let it run, like me, don't let it run down to the very end. This is actually my first time I've done that, where I let it run to zero. But now it looks like we're back. We're back in action. Okay, so that's a quick tip. Hope you like it. And if you haven't visited my YouTube channel, but maybe you are, please visit it. You could subscribe, you could like, you can comment, help me to grow it, and hopefully you find some use over it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.